3, 2, 1.
Which organisms form the base of all ecosystems? The answer is P. Producers. The only landlocked country that borders the Mediterranean is? The answer is B. Turkey. Which substance is usually found in nature as a liquid, solid, and gas? The answer is A. Water. What is the first commercially available microcomputer? The answer is D. IBM PC. In which year did Greenwich Mean Time (GMT) become the world standard time system? The answer is C. 1900. What city is the capital of Madagascar? The answer is A. Antananarivo. What is the primary purpose of a ruler? The answer is B. For drawing lines. Which of these stars is most similar to the Sun? The answer is C. The main sequence star Alpha Mensi. Which war involved the Battle of Trafalgar and the British Royal Navy? The answer is C. Napoleonic Wars. What is it that is sharp at the top but blunt at the bottom? The answer is B. Pencil. In 2002, pop diva Gwen Stefani married the former lead singer of the band Bush. What is the name of Stefani's significant other? The answer is B. Gavin Rossdale. Oscar-winning screenwriter Bud Schulberg, who penned both On the Waterfront and A Face in the Crowd, is the son of B.P. Schulberg, who ran which Hollywood studio during the 1930s? The answer is B. Paramount Pictures. Who was the Greek goddess of love and beauty?
The answer is B. Aphrodite.
What is the name of the giant serpent that guard the world tree in Norse mythology? The answer is B. Jormungand. Which book is the first in the Lord of the Rings series? The answer is C. The Fellowship of the Ring. What is the average length of a day on Venus? The answer is B. 8,032 minutes. What is the area of a circle with diameter equal to twice its radius? The answer is B. B2 pi 2 square units. What is the name of the waitress played by Drew Barrymore in the comedy movie The Wedding Singer? The answer is C. Julia Sullivan. Where was Deborah working when she met Raymond? The answer is A. For the New York Rangers. What notable feature does the fennec fox possess that makes it easily recognizable? The answer is B. Very large ears. Which item is used for boiling water? The answer is C. Kettle. What is the scientific name for aspirin? The answer is D. Acetylsalicylic acid. Name the 2001 romantic comedy film that contains this quote, "Is that a member's only jacket? So what are you, the last member?" The answer is C. Shallow Hal. What has a head, a tail, and nothing in between? The answer is B. Comet. What are gymnosperms lacking compared to most angiosperms? The answer is B. Vessel elements. Which of these situations would most likely be a result of climate change? The answer is C. Shrinking glaciers, causing sea levels to rise. What is the name of the detective in The Hound of the Baskervilles? The answer is A. Sherlock Holmes. What is the capital of Russia? The answer is B. St. Petersburg. What is the primary goal in the game Animal Crossing? The answer is A. Catching all fish species. What is a wind instrument with a conical shape and a double reed? The answer is A. Oboe. What is a type of chair with woven cane seats? The answer is A. Armchair. What are the smallest type of blood vessels? The answer is B. Capillaries. Which law describes the behavior of ideal gases? The answer is A. Boyle's law. The right atrium receives all of the systemic venous return. Most of the blood flows into either the superior vena cava or this. The answer is A. Inferior vena cava. In what country is Lake Nyos located? The answer is D. Cameroon. Where did Buffy's mom, Joyce, first meet Mr. Giles in the Buffy the Vampire Slayer series? The answer is A. In the hospital. Remembrance Day or Armistice Day is observed on November 11 in the Commonwealth of Nations and various European countries. What does it commemorate? The answer is D. World War I and other wars. The cell expels waste and other particles through a process called what? The answer is B. Exocytosis. Which item erases pencil marks? The answer is A. Eraser. When was the first underwater photograph taken? The answer is B. 1856. Which musician is known as the King of Pop? The answer is D. Michael Jackson. Which would likely need a hot plate? The answer is B. Chemistry class. Which of these was an entree served at the Who's Christmas feast in How the Grinch Stole Christmas? The answer is D. Roast beef. Which celestial body rotates on its axis the slowest? The answer is D. Uranus. On The Office, who does Jim date first? The answer is D. The pocketbook saleswoman. Which NBA star was charged with sexual assault on a 19-year-old hotel employee in the summer of 2003? The answer is C. Kobe Bryant. Like the strings of cello, anything that vibrates produces waves of what? The answer is D. Energy. What show on Playhouse Disney features nesting dolls come to life that always have a problem requiring the help of someone special? The answer is D. Higglytown Heroes. What is the term for organisms that can maintain a stable body temperature even in the face of large fluctuations in the environmental temperature? The answer is D. Endotherms. Which of these has more than one engine?